Auto Trim Designs 1.
Today at Auto Trim Design, we're going to install a brand new factory quality Katzkin leather interior in this 2016 Dodge Ram. First step of the process, take all the seats out of the truck. Then we're going to cut off all the factory cloth, wire it for heated seats, steam up our brand new leather, and throw it on the seats. After that's all said and done, we're going to reinstall the seats and send the truck on its way. Auto Trim Design specifically designed this Katzkin leather interior for this 2016 Dodge Ram Tradesman for Northwest Motorsport. Up next, we're going to show you the process of tinting the front two windows of the truck. The first step is to clean and prep the front windows. Then we're going to cut the window tint to fit the glass and shrink it down so it fits nice and tight. Then we'll apply the window film to the inside of the glass. Finally, we'll wipe down the doors to make sure they're nice and clean before we ship it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you register to win this 2016 Dodge Ram Tradesman at nwmotorsport.com/madness.